The Nokia 8 Sirocco is currently the most expensive design in Nokia's parent HMD Global's portfolio, but now it seems the company plans on soon launching another flagship smartphone. As per reports, HMD Global's next premium smartphone will be called the Nokia A1 Plus, and it is likely to be unveiled at the IFA 2018. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. According to WinFuture, the Nokia A1 Plus will be a premium level device. It is said to feature an LG-made OLED display and packing in a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, along with running the latest Android P right out of the box. What's interesting is that the A1 Plus is said to be the first Nokia device to boast an in-display fingerprint sensor. As per the report, the functionality is quite similar to what we have seen on the Vivo X21. This falls in line with the information leaked by tipster Roland Quant a few days back. HMD Global is said to be working with Foxconn on manufacturing the Nokia A1 Plus and is targeting an August to September launch. This is around the time IFA is held in Berlin, and the company could use the platform to showcase its flagship smartphone to the public. The Nokia A1 Plus nomenclature is a bit surprising, since leaks until now have hinted towards HMD Global launching the Nokia 9. This rumored device too has been said to boast top-of-the-line specifications as well as an in-display fingerprint sensor. Based on the leaks so far, the Nokia 9 is said to feature a 6.01-inch display protected by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The insides pack in a Snapdragon 845 SoC and 8GB of RAM. It is also said to feature a triple camera setup that includes a whopping 41-megapixel sensor along with 20 and 9.7 being the rest, and about it we might discuss in another video. So that will be it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.